Welcome home. This brand new, meticulously crafted ranch-style home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is situated on a flat lot with serene views. Step inside to discover an open concept layout featuring soaring ceilings and a cozy gas log fireplace, perfect for evenings at home or game nights with friends. The stunning kitchen boasts quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, and a central island with breakfast bar. Enjoy tranquil mornings in the sunroom filled with natural light, or step outside to the covered patio, perfect for sipping your morning coffee in the fresh air. The primary suite offers a serene retreat with ample space and a luxurious ensuite bathroom. Features include a zero-lip tiled shower, taller vanities, and a spacious walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms and a second full bathroom provide comfort and convenience for all. A well-designed laundry room adds to the home's functionality, while the expansive 3-car garage offers ample space for vehicles and storage. As part of the Bridgewater North Villa community, residents have access to the amenities, including pool, tennis courts, and pickleball courts. Don't wait to see this exceptional home. Schedule your tour with Emily Whitmer today.